Ang mga apo niya doon naman.
Yung mga anak.
Dagdan daw siyang tabangan, kinanglan daw magtrabaho siya.
Swerte sila kaya nawala ilang mama na may mamig daddy na bilin. Na kay papa, extra.
May kinakasweldo na rin siya.
Oh, last week kang abet.
Oo, ugma, magtrabaho naman siya.
Nagpadala naman siya kwarta. Kining gikuan na ni abet ang koan.
Tawgan na rin yung education mo.
Yeah, that's the best. Saan?
Yeah, it's good.
Sabi, patulong doon.
It pays well, but the lady at North UCI, she said, Martha, if you need a recommendation for anything, let me know. I'm like, yes, I'm like, is here?
You should.
Do they have a They do?
Boy.
This is more boy.
Lots of them. Whatever you
Even
do.
at yours? Yours?
Oh, the NICU?
No. Anywhere there.
Oh, yeah.
What has more?
That's what they want, mostly.
Really?
Yeah. Right now, though, like in our unit, our charge
Because he
nurse,
has
our
buttons.
nurse manager was saying that they're not hiring grads
I like
right
to
now,
do
but when they do,
because
they're
I like
only
it
hire
because
the
one of them
UCI.
are broken. It's
grads.
cool. But it's 6
But that's only our unit.